Supreme Court Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes, a medical doctor, once said, "If we doctors threw all of our pharmaceutical medications into the sea, it would be all that much better for the patients, but all that much worse for the fishes. They would probably all die." Herbal medication has been around for thousands of years. Since 2800 BC, Chinese have shown drawings of different kinds of herbal medications being used. Although it's controversial of whether or not an herbal medication can cure an illness, it has been known to treat the ailments of different kinds of chemotherapies, radiation and cancer patients. It also has been known to relieve aches, pains, tension headaches, muscle aches. A lot of people use many different remedies to do this. The FDA has not approved a certain recipe or a certain plant, any kind of herbalism, but it's just because the scientifics are so vague as to what the herbal medication can do. Although there has not been any documented cases of death caused to herbal medication, it is a natural substance, so doctors cannot prescribe the substance, but they can suggest it, and many doctors do suggest herbal medications. Like I said, cancer patients will use chamomile teas, essence oils, which is usually the oil extract of a plant, and it's a topical ointment or sometimes used in an oil warmer for the aromatherapy aspects, and it's used for relaxation techniques. Mainly, a lot of the herbal medications are for relaxation. Anxiety members use chamomile tea, again, as an example. A lot of plants, seeds, plant roots, any part of the plant almost can be used for some kind of topical ointment or essence oil. There's even recently been capsules that have been used and made up so that the people who can't really stand the taste of the raw herbal medication, they don't have to go that route. They can use capsules. There's a lot of information out there available to people who would like to use this as opposed to maybe using the pharmaceutical medication that has had documented evidence of death occurring due to the use. It has very harmful side effects, and in a lot of cases people are scared of those side effects. It's very unknown as to the long-term usage of the pharmaceutical drugs, how it affects the body and the person. With natural herbal medication, there's not as many concerns as to the effects of the herbal medication. There have been doctors who have prescribed chemotherapy and radiation to cancer patients. The effects were too harmful. They sought out more holistic remedies and came to the belief that herbal medicine actually did cure them, and they were cured of their illness, their disease. Doctors could not explain as to how that cure came about. Sometimes it's just the psychological belief in the drug, in the medication, that helps. And the herbal remedies are concentrated more around the relaxation, finding more of a zen about the treatment that you're taking. Many people use it, like I said, for muscle aches. There's lotions, there's topical oils that can be rubbed into the skin as a massage therapy oil. And they've been known to work wonders on patients who've been in accidents and are going through physical therapy, needing continuous help with that. So just knowing that those options available is great to have out there. You can usually ask most doctors about your herbal medications and herbal remedies, and they will be more than glad to give you options to that. There's many people out there that specialize in this, and you can find information available anywhere. Glad to give you that information. Thank you.